In the stage of life where learning is play, an alphabet art shines, lighting the way. Letters, like stars, in an arch they lay. To little minds, they have much to say. Welcome, dear child, each letter greets, we're friends to meet, in joyful feats. Our sounds, our shapes, in your mind repeats. With us, knowledge never retreats. In order, in sequence, they begin to align. A melodious rhythm, a learning design. Mother and child, in roles benign. On this journey of alphabets, they intertwine.
Okay everyone, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified to any new videos. Hope I see you next time, and remember,
where every reader learns one letter at a time. Bye.